Did you know that the process of making brandy dates back hundreds of years, yet each artisanal producer adds their own unique twist? Yeah, it's pretty wild. In this video, you'll learn about the fascinating journey of crafting artisanal brandy from scratch in 2024. We're diving into traditional methods, modern innovations, and everything in between. So, grab your favorite drink and let's get started. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges that brandy makers are facing today. First off, sourcing quality ingredients can be a bit tricky. With climate change and fluctuating farming conditions, getting those perfectly ripe fruits isn't guaranteed. Not to mention, there are strict regulations in place that producers need to follow. Whether it's labeling laws or quality standards, these can really add some pressure. It's not just about making a delicious drink, it's also about jumping through hoops to ensure everything's up to code. So, as you can see, making brandy isn't just all fun and games. It comes with its own set of hurdles. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of brandy production. The journey starts with selecting the right fruits. Whether it's grapes, apples, or pears, the quality of the fruit is crucial for the flavor profile. Once the fruits are selected, it's time for fermentation. This is where the magic starts to happen. The sugars in the fruits are turned into alcohol, and this process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. After fermentation, we move on to distillation. This is where the alcohol is concentrated and separated from the rest of the liquid. It's an art form in itself, requiring precision and skill. Finally, we can't forget about aging in barrels. This step is vital as it adds depth and complexity to the flavor. The longer the brandy ages, the more character it develops. So, from fruit selection to barrel aging, each step is essential in crafting that perfect artisanal brandy. And now, let's highlight a crucial moment in the crafting process that truly showcases the skill and artistry involved: the blending of different aged brandies. This is where the magic really happens. Master distillers carefully select aged brandies from their inventory, each with its unique flavor profile. It's like creating a symphony of flavors. The goal is to achieve balance and complexity, something that can only be done through years of experience and intuition. It's a delicate dance of tasting, adjusting, and perfecting the blend. This step is what turns good brandy into something truly exceptional, and it's a testament to the craftsmanship behind artisanal production. So, to recap, we've explored the essential steps in brandy production, from selecting the right fruits to fermentation, distillation, aging, and the all-important blending process. Each step requires skill and passion, and it's the artisanal techniques that create those unique flavor profiles we all love. If you enjoyed learning about how brandy is made, drop a comment below with your thoughts on brandy making. And don't forget to check out my other videos on spirits and distillation. There's a whole world of flavors waiting for you to explore. Cheers!